hope this could be a small gift to you. The way you have been our inspiration, the way you have taught us English. Let me give you a glimpse of what I'm doing over here and what the kids have to say about it.
As most of the volunteers, including me, do not know the local language of Cambodia, so that we try to teach them through pictures and images, which is far more easier for them to understand. You can see that these kids are having fun at the same time. They are also learning a word or two. We also play games with them in English and ask them to write certain things on board so that they always remain involved. You will be surprised to know that most of the kids do not have parents and they wake up at 4 a.m., make their own laundry, make their own food, clean the house, and clean the toilets as well. So we take 6 classes in a day, which is like more a learning experience than a teaching experience, so that these kids make us coming back to our old life again. That is it. Thank you.
Wish you a happy birthday, the Anusoni Raymond Family Hall. I hope you keep your glittering smile spreading all around. Inspire students the way you inspire me. That's all I can do. Happy birthday, Bingo.
P.S. You always said that I am different, and yes, I am.